What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Exciting times, a new Binance Launchpad project was just announced. It's called Arkham Intel with their Arkham token or ARKM, and in this video what I've always done with Binance Launchpad is I'll tell you everything you need to know. I'll tell you what Arkham Intel is, some other things you need to know, and just in general also how to participate. I would say everything you need to know, but I'll leave that up to you as well. If you don't know me, then welcome to the channel. What I do is daily analysis, but I also make review videos on new cryptos with potential, everything like that. So if you are interested in that, consider subscribing. But now onto Arkham. So Arkham is a project that is already well known in certain parts of the industry. They're doing a Binance Launchpad right now. Or not right now, I think the subscription actually starts tomorrow. So if you don't know how it works, you need to hold BNB tokens. And if you hold a specific amount of BNB, you actually are allowed to submit that BNB. So basically to buy Arkham tokens with BNB. How much you can buy depends on how much BNB you are holding. But apart from that, there's also a hard cap. In general, probably billions of dollars will be submitted to this launchpad and you will not be able to get a lot of Arkham tokens. That's just the way it is. However, it's still interesting to actually participate. I previously participated in Space ID and made some money off of that because these Binance Launchpad projects usually do perform very well. All right, so it's about 5%, I believe. I saw that somewhere. It's about 5% of the total token supply. Tokenomics are not yet known, so I will still update you on that later, I think. And like I said, you just hold BNB. You can also go to their website. If you go to Earn and then Launchpad, this will be updated probably somewhere later today because right now it still shows Open Campus, but I would definitely recommend you to check out. But now let's get into a little bit more about Arkham. All right, I'm actually going to drag my webcam over here. I think that's better, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. So, all right, Arkham itself, before we dive into what the project is, they're raising about $2.5 million. That's not that much right now, but what is interesting is that they received funding by some huge people like Peter Thiel, Sam Altman from OpenAI, which is great. Tim Draper, some real personalities in the US especially, but also Coinbase Ventures, Digital Currency Group, big venture capitals raised 12 million. Being invested in by Coinbase Ventures also increases the chance it will be listed on Coinbase, which would create another rally from in the price when it's actually launched. But now onto what Arkham actually is, because Arkham actually, if you're just interested in the token, that's fine. But the project is actually very interesting as well. Right now, their platform or their application, this is their website. I'll leave some links down in the description, including the page for the Binance Launchpad. But right now, you can go to the platform, but then you need to sign up with. And if you don't have a login, you have to join the waiting list. But basically, what Arkham Intelligence is and what their platform is it is de-anonymizing blockchain data. So right now, as you all know, blockchain data, so transactions and stuff, they're all open. The problem is that you don't know who is behind what address. So what the Arkham Intel platform actually allows you to do, or it basically what it is trying to do, it is trying to de-anonymize that so that you actually know which real world entity or identity or person is behind an address, which is revolutionizing. Because if you actually know which addresses are owned by venture capitals, by huge traders, by YouTubers as well, then you actually know who is investing in what and when, and you can actually be one of the first to invest in that as well, or think like, oh well, they are actually like a big venture capital is selling off some tokens, perhaps I should sell some as well, perhaps I should short it. So this is absolutely revolutionizing. If you go to their Twitter, you can also find out a little bit more, because you can also buy and sell information on the owner of any blockchain wallet address. So there's also a bit of bounty hunting, that if you know a wallet address and the real owner of that. So for example, if you know the CEO of Binance has these addresses, you can actually sell that information on the exchange as well. So it's a great platform, revolutionizing, nothing like that, nothing like it anywhere else. So it has some real utility as well, and it's pretty unique. So I would say this project is definitely here to stay. and has some long-term potential as well. So even though you're only probably going to get a little bit of tokens with this Launchpad sale, it's still long-term. I think it's going to be great. But yeah, I'll leave this link down in the description as well. I try to give you a little bit of an idea of what Arkham Intel is. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. It's also interesting for a trader like me. I've always there's certain venture capitals that I try to follow and try to see what they're doing, but right now it's very difficult to actually gain that information. And there are people that are better at gaining that information, and now they can publish that on Arkham Intel and also gain some money for that. So that's absolutely great. So that's for now the video, how you can participate in the Arkham Binance Launchpad token sale. A little bit of information of the funding around Arkham, so who actually invested in the project, and what Arkham actually is. Now, I will probably make another video on what to expect after the token has launched, because I have seen a lot of Binance Launchpads in the last year. So I'll probably still make a video on that and also more information like their tokenomics. But for now, this is my Binance Launchpad review on Arkham Intel and their Arkham token. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And consider subscribing if you thought this video was valuable and if you are interested in daily analysis on the crypto markets and analysis and reviews on cryptos with potential. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.